This isn't just a day trip, it's a spiritual reset. Imagine escaping the buzz of Barcelona and standing 1,200 meters high in the clouds, where monks chant in silence, trails vanish into the cliffs, and time just stops. Welcome to Montserrat, Spain's sacred mountain escape, and in this vlog, we'll show you exactly how to do it right. This is a full-day trip guide to Montserrat. Let's go. 7:30 a.m. Depart Barcelona. We arrive at Plaça Espanya station. We start early, we are catching the R5 train from Plaça Espanya at 7:36 a.m. No tour needed, this is 100% DIY and super easy. We're headed to the Montserrat-Aeri stop, where the cable car takes you straight up into the sky. Travel details: train, R5 line, Plaça Espanya Montserrat-Aeri, 1 hour. Transfer, cable car, Aeri de Montserrat, 5 minutes, panoramic ride. Pro tip: sit on the left side of the train for views of the mountains. You'll know when you're close. The mountain looks like a dragon's spine rising from the earth. 9 a.m. Montserrat arrival and monastery tour. This is Santa Maria de Montserrat, a Benedictine monastery founded over 1,000 years ago. The energy here? Unreal. Whether you're religious or not, it moves you. Things to do. Basilica Montserrat. See the Black Madonna, arrive early to avoid queues. Catch the Escalania Boys Choir at 1 p.m., Monday through Friday. Inside the basilica, there's gold, candlelight, and voices echoing like ghosts. I didn't expect it to hit me like that. 10:30 a.m. Take the Sant Joan funicular plus hike. Now it's time to hike. We are taking the Sant Joan funicular, which climbs even higher into the mountain. From there, trails lead in every direction, all of them jaw-dropping. Recommended trail: Sant Joan St. Michael's Cross Viewpoint, 45 minutes round trip. Optional, Sant Jeroni Peak, highest point of Montserrat, 3 to 4 hours total. At the top, Barcelona is just a hazy line on the horizon. And up here, you feel really small in the best way. 1:30 p.m. lunch with a view. Time to eat, and I'm doing it the local way. We packed some Catalan-style picnic snacks from a deli back in Barcelona. At a view like this, better than any 5-star meal. Food tip: pack ahead from Mercat de Sant Antoni or La Boqueria. Try fuet sausage, manchego, olives, tomatoes on par Ambassador Tomahquet. 2:15 p.m. Montserrat Museum plus local market. Clips, museum halls, market stalls with honey, cheese, artisan crafts. Before heading down, don't skip the Montserrat Museum, legit art from Dali, Picasso, and El Greco. And just outside, the local market is full of monk-made goodies, herbal liqueurs, fig cakes, goat cheese. We picked up honey infused with mountain herbs. 4 p.m. Return to Barcelona. Shop some souvenirs before you board the train. We will catch the 4:30 p.m. train back to Barcelona, heart full, legs sore, mind completely clear. If you only take one-day trip while you're in Barcelona, make it this one. Montserrat isn't just a destination, it's a pause button. It's where your trip becomes a memory. If you felt something watching this, drop her in the comments and hit that like button. And if you're chasing moments like this, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Onward Escapes, and I'll see you on the next adventure.